Pucha, ito yung pinakaayaw ko na ginagawa ng traditional media. Sila rin yung pasimuno ng poverty porn. No! Comfort is not privilege. It is earned. You can earn comfort by doing the hard part first, and then after that, getting the result, and the byproduct is comfort. Anong sa tingin nyo yung mga middle class? Yung mga mayayaman, hindi sila nagtatrabaho to maintain it? Tapos sasabihin nyo, masisipag naman sila ba't hindi mo sila? Ganito yan. It's not about working hard, it's about working smart. Kung ano man yung ginagawa nila ngayon, no doubt they are hardworking. But it doesn't necessarily mean na yung product nung ginagawa nila or yung value ng ginagawa nila tataas. Dahil lang sa paulit-ulit or they are doing it harder. Tapos ngayon, gagaslightin nyo yung mga nagtatrabaho para i-maintain yung bagay na meron sila as if it was so easy. As if walang kahirap-hirap. Diba? So that's how the media is romanticizing poverty by making the middle class or the people who work hard to maintain what they have look easy, look less, para mag-focus or maawa kayo doon sa mahihirap.
This is Pinoy Extreme.